Well, today the government of India is going to table a new bill regarding the kind of punishment which is going to be given to all those who have been involved in the paper leaks matter. But will the opposition is also going to participate in this particular discussion? To talk about this matter, we have been joined by the Punjab Congress MP, Mr. Amrinder Singh Rajawardene. Sir, we have seen that how the opposition is continuously raising a demand for an apology on the part of Home Minister Amit Shah, but the government is saying that we are ready to hold a discussion on the paper leaks as it was being demanded by the opposition parties. The punishment will be increased. We have seen that how in Punjab as well there are several paper leaks which have taken place. Do you believe that this is very much necessary to be discussed in the parliament today?
Look, I think what Rahul ji asked, written a letter to the Home Minister, and he was asking about what happened with the students, that the pilot thing. Who ordered for that? कौन थे वो लोग? वो पुलिस थी और they are some sung this security and all that. So definitely, I think that today we will discuss in a CPP meeting that how we have to go through, कैसे हमने discussion करना है. But yeah, this is a punishment. It's okay, no problem for 10 years punishment and 10 crore fine. But this is another amendment जो दो बिल आया था 2024 में, उसकी नई amendment आई है. तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि मेरे को लगता है ऐसा आई हैव नॉट सीन एनीथिंग इन द बिल कि इसको रोकने के लिए क्या किया जाए, क्योंकि ये तो सब चीजें हो गई कि जब पेपर लीक होगा तो 10 करोड़ रुपए का जुर्माना होगा और 10 साल की सजा होगी. दैट्स फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट जो जाने चली गई हैं, आप कल वो पेपर लीक हो ना, उसके लिए क्या प्रावधान, आप कौन से मेजरमेंट है जो ले रहे हैं, उसके बारे में भी लोगों को जानकारी होनी चाहिए. डेफिनेटली आई थिंक दैट आवर पार्टी विल डिस्कस ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस, बट हमारे कुछ सवाल हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक राहुल गांधी ने वो चिट्ठी लिखकर पूछा है. अनदर थिंग दैट यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पंजाब एग्जामिनेशन, विद इन द 4 years 6 पेपर लीक हो चुके हैं. इफ आई कैन नेम द पेपर्स, 5 लाख लोग प्रभावित हो चुके हैं. उसमें से है हुआ पीपीएससी का पेपर लीक हुआ, पीएससीबी 12वीं अंग्रेजी का पेपर लीक हुआ, पीएसटी टेट का पेपर लीक हुआ. तो ऐसे 3-4 और पेपर लीक हुए हैं. भगवान तुमान झूठ पे झूठ बोले जा रहे हैं. ही सेड कि कोई पेपर लीक हुआ नहीं है. क्या उनके लिए भी ये बिल लागू होगा कि नहीं होगा, एंड स्टेट्स में क्या होगा, ये तमाम चीजें चर्चा करने के बाद ही पता चलेगी. और इन लोगों को सजा कब मिलेगी जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. क्या बिल में इंक्लूडेड ये भी होगा कि जिन्होंने पहले ये गलतियां की है, जब पेपर लीक किया है, ये कानून उनके ऊपर लागू होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Sir, like you have also mentioned that all of these details will come out only when the discussion is going to take place in the parliament. But the kind of protest which we have seen on the opposition side, if that is going to be continued, if the adjournments are going to take place in both the houses, then how come how the government will actually going to give the details about this particular bill which they are going to introduce today?
But earlier also we are ready for the discussion and all that. But our demand is just resignation. And government is not ready for the resignation. We were saying that by first give the resignation, then we can talk. Now I think definitely, who said that we will not discuss the bill? We will discuss the bill, but we have certain demands, as Rahul Gandhi have written a letter to that Home Minister. First clarify all that things on floor of the house in front of whole country कि क्या हुआ है. So otherwise we are here for to discuss everything, not only bill, everything what is happening. We will not disturb the house, but first of all, they should clarify and they should tell each and everything what opposition demanded for. Even opposition demanded for that time, there are 2 topics. One is Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. Another is this Ram Mandir Chanda Chori. That is also the issue that we have to discuss this topic, what you people are doing on that. So ये issues रहेंगे. बाकी I think with opposition parties and all that, after discussion, then I think party will clear their stand.
Well, last question I would like to ask, sir, if this discussion is going to take place in the parliament and if the opposition MPs are going to participate, will you also raise the matter which is related to the Punjab state as well, that this should also be included, that what kind of action will be taken against the state governments? Because we have seen that how the Punjab education minister resignation was also being demanded by many of the other party leaders as well.
बिल्कुल 100% हमारा पंजाब का बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है. 5.5 लाख लोग बच्चे प्रभावित है उसमें, एंड चीफ मिनिस्टर इज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. एंड चीफ मिनिस्टर उल्टा ये कह रहे हैं कि पेपर लीक हुआ ही नहीं है, जबकि पेपर लीक हुआ है. तो हमारी डिमांड है, इवन अदर पीपल आर डिमांडिंग दैट रेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द कंसर्न अथॉरिटी एंड कंसर्न मिनिस्टर, उनसे रेजिग्नेशन लिया जाना चाहिए. लेकिन बार बार झूठ बोला जा रहा है कि पेपर लीक इज नॉट हैपन. तो 5.5 लाख लोग जो लोग चीखे मार रहे हैं, और 100% हम ये कहेंगे कि जो पेपर लीक हो चुके हैं, डेफिनेटली विल डिस्कस दिस आल्सो कि ये कानून उनके ऊपर भी लागू होना चाहिए.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Amrinder Singh Rajawardene, speaking in Times Now with video journalist Vivek Sharma. This is Nyamka Singh reporting for Times Group.